Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Loanable funds markets are solvable by observing how interest rates adjust when they are above the equilibrium level. When the current real interest rate is higher than the equilibrium, the quantity of funds supplied by savers exceeds the quantity demanded by borrowers, creating a surplus of available loanable funds. Because there is a surplus of money sitting in the market, lenders will naturally lower their interest rates to attract more borrowers, which pushes the market back toward its stable equilibrium. As interest rates fall, savers decrease their quantity supplied. This makes option C the only logical choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.